In this video, I'll show you how to use Face Refinement in DaVinci Resolve to enhance skin and facial details. Please note that Face Refinement is only available in the Studio version of DaVinci Resolve. Start on the color page with your clip selected. Open the Effects panel, go to Open FX, search for Face Refinement, and drag it onto a node. Move the playhead to the start of the clip, then click Track Forward in the inspector and let the analysis finish. Once it's done, turn off the overlay for a clean view. Scroll down and gently increase the beauty amount and adjust the scale setting to control the strength of the effect. Keep this subtle for natural results. Next, open the Eyes section. Here you can reduce eye bags, brighten the eyes slightly, and add a bit of sharpening if needed. If you want, you can also make small color or hue adjustments to enhance skin tones, or add a touch of warmth. And that's it! With light adjustments, Face Refinement helps you quickly clean up and enhance faces while keeping everything natural.